तैयार हो जाएं. Okay, now this is where academic reading and gender training reading, they are same. Okay, yeah, so get ready for that. San Francisco's Golden Gate Bridge. Have you seen that bridge? In San Francisco, there is that bridge, ropes के साथ नहीं bridge बना हुआ पूरा. That is called Golden Gate Bridge. Okay. All right. And then we've got, at Azadi Chowk also we've got that type of bridge. Golden Gate Bridge. Okay. That is the bridge on ropes. It's on the sea. And there is no, pillar or beam down there. It's only on the ropes. So San Francisco's Golden Gate Bridge. Okay. Come to questions. Wow. 28 to 35. Which section mentions the following? Type A or B? B. So when should we do it? In the end. Don't start with it. Never start with type B questions. You'll be in great trouble. Questions 36 to 40. One word only. Okay? So we can start from here. And 5 questions are here. And then we'll go back. Okay, questions 36 to 40. Complete the sentences below. Choose one word only from the text for each answer. Write your answers in boxes 36 to 40. बात याद आ गई यासीन की. बाद में बताऊंगा. It was those days when he recently got engaged and he had an official laptop and there was some problem with the laptop. And then he gave that laptop to me. He said, sir, the laptop is not working properly. And I took the laptop to Hafiz Center. And I asked the guy, there is some problem in the laptop. It's not working. As he turned on the laptop, there was the big picture of his fiancée. And I was like, I said, nahi, ye mere wo colleague hai, unka laptop hai. So there is a picture like that and all that. So yeah, and then when he got married, he used to watch his wedding video every day. Every day, the first thing in the morning, like, people do dua and all that, puja part. His first thing was to see the wedding video. And every day he discovered new thing. Sir, ek banda walime mein pata nahi kaun hai. He discovered new things and new angles. And now the same movie is horror movie for him. He doesn't watch it anymore. Anyways, yeah. Huh? He has his time also. Now it is my time. He has his time when we are coming here. Hey, he's after me, absolutely. Okay, let's see. On the canal there are some, what do you call them? What do you call, eunuchs? Or what's the other word for them? Transgenders. There's some transgender on the road and we usually take pity and give them the money. Once what happened, I was outside my office, I saw a transgender. He was very quick and sharp. Some of them are very active. He was walking very, very fast. So I thought I should give some money. By the time I came up with this thing, I took some money out of my pocket and I gave him the money. He said, go give her or him the money. Her or him, yeah. So what did he do? He just said, hey, stop. The transgender saw such a tall boy and the boy is saying, hey, stop here. The transgender got scared and he started running and Yasin ran after. And Yasin was saying, 50 rupees. And he said, no, I don't need that. Okay. That is the real incident. Real incident, okay? Yeah. So, all right. Okay, now, yeah, let's come back to it. I still remember how transgender was running and he was running after and he said, paise. He said, no. Okay, so questions 36 to 40. Complete the sentences below. Choose one word only from the text for each answer. Write your answers in the boxes 36 to 40. Okay. Question number 36. Now listen, first question will take more time to find because the whole passage is there and you have to find it. And after that, it is going to become easier for you. So, question number 36. Building the bridge required a dash issued by Secretary of, and see that Secretary of War, all capital. Now let's go back. Building the bridge required a dash issued by Secretary of War. Paragraph B. Now, once you find paragraph, you are very comfortable. And there is something that Secretary of War issues, right? So, the bridge could not be constructed without the agreement of the US War Department, which owned the land on each side of the strait and had the power to prevent any harbor construction that might affect shipping traffic. In 1924, San Francisco and Marin counties applied for a permit to build a bridge. Now, where did they apply for a permit? US War Department. Come back. Building a bridge required a permit. Exactly. Now, see that it's part 3, reading. Answers will not come straight away. So, building the bridge required a permit and they applied for a permit. Applied for and required, these are the words here. So, answer is permit. Question number 37. One objection. Now, we will read on. Okay, one objection to building the bridge was that another would destroy it. Look here, look here, look here. Whenever they use word another, it means something already happened. For example, if they say another flood will destroy it, so it means there was a flood before. Now let's go back and see what was there, and another would destroy it. Okay, next paragraph, B, second paragraph. Despite the economic benefits, promised by its supporters, the project met fierce resistance from a number of businesses, particularly ferry companies and civic leaders. Not only would the bridge be an obstacle to shipping and spoil the bay's natural beauty, they argued, it wouldn't survive the sort of earthquake that had devastated the city in 1906. So another earthquake. Whenever they use word another, something had happened before. So answer is earthquake. Got it? So they might use the word another and the same technique in any other test also. Now let's go on. Question number 38. Construction was delayed when the framework was damaged by a ship. Listen, framework was damaged by a ship and again by a. So framework was damaged twice. First it was damaged by a ship. Second time it was damaged by what? Let's go back. Damaged by something else. Look for the word framework. Framework. Yes. Scanning. Now don't look for the answers here. I told you they are in order, but they may jump. We've got a long jump here. Framework. Found it? Paragraph E, second paragraph. Now, they've used the word framework built out from the San Francisco side. I'm reading third line of paragraph E, second part. 90 feet through strong currents to blast away rock and remove the debris. The framework was damaged when it was struck by a ship. We know that. That is given. In August 1933 and again during a powerful storm. So it means it was destroyed or damaged by a ship and again by a storm. Answer is storm. Question number 39. The last part of the bridge to be constructed was the dash. Last part which was constructed was the dash, and answer will come before May 1937. Just go on. Last part of the bridge which was constructed. Okay. Now what do they say here? F and second paragraph. The roadway was completed in April 1937 and the bridge officially opened. What was the last part? Roadway. Just focus. The roadway was completed and the bridge officially opened. Roadway was completed, bridge officially opened. It means the last part which was constructed, that was roadway. So the answer to question number 39 is roadway. Yes.
So in the start of paragraph F, it is written that two towers were completed in 1935.
Good, yes. But that was not the last part. Listen, focus the word, huh?
Here it is written completed in 1920.
Now, have they mentioned that this was the last part of the bridge? No. That's what we have to see. We've got to look for last part. And for last part, they use the word, and then the bridge officially opened. They constructed something, and then the bridge opened means the construction finished. So whatever they did and it opened, that was the last part. Okay? Answer is roadway. The bridge was first used by Dash in May 1937. First users of the bridge. Good. And the bridge officially opened to pedestrians the following month. Pedestrians means the people who walk. It was not for the motorists. Initially, it was for pedestrians. So, the bridge was first used by pedestrians in May 1937. And what is the word for first used by? The bridge officially opened to pedestrians the following month. The next day, President Roosevelt announced its opening via White House telegraph. So, pedestrians, they were the first users. All right, now see that you did 5 questions and it took around 5 minutes and you completed that. So this is the good thing about type A questions, that questions and answers are in a sequence, they are in an order, so you can just do that easily, right? Thank you.